So when choosing an intake manifold, what material are you looking for? So you guys would obviously know that there's different ones available, different intake manifolds available from all different kinds of people. You've got your factory intake manifold, which these days is predominantly either cast aluminium, because it's so easy and cheap to make, or you've got plastic. Plastic is, again, light, really easy to make, really, really cheap. But then when it comes to the performance side of things, this is where it starts to rear its ugly head. They crack, they break, they wear out, they fatigue, the glue comes loose and all that kind of stuff. Look, at the end of the day, plastic intake manifolds have their place. We're talking about an intake manifold that's suited for a factory car, which has factory performance, etc., etc. Can you make horsepower with factory intake manifolds? Yes, you can. Where do they go wrong? They just break, they crack. The prime example that I've most probably seen and been a part of the most is the Lamborghini intake manifolds at like 14 or 15 PSI, they just simply come apart. So hence one of the reasons why those manifolds are such a much needed part of the aftermarket performance scene in the Lambo scene anyway. So why would you go down the billet path? Well, the billet path is so easy to design, well, easy in inverted commas, easy to design, make, modify, machine, etc. That you have so much flexibility around that. The intake manifold can be almost of any design, any kind of style, and you can machine it. As long as your machine's capable of machining what you want to do, there's no reason why it can't be made out of billet. The billet offers a level of strength and integrity which is really not seen compared to cast aluminium or even your plastic products. So going down the billet path, or even our billet carbon fiber manifolds, they've all been proven to withstand the test of time and really support the horsepower you're kind of chasing, and be a product that you can say, okay, I bought this and it's going to last for however long I want it to last for. So really the design flexibility and also its longevity is most probably the most attractive thing about the manifold itself, apart from obviously its performance and aesthetic positives. The material itself is something that you have to really have a look at and say, is this going to stand the test of time? How long do I want to keep the car for? What am I trying to achieve? And billet or something that's CNC machined will do that day in and day out.